Hello, YouTube, my channel. Welcome to my troops. Ay, mali at. Hello troops. Welcome to my welcome back to my YouTube channel. Kuya Ronski Vlog. At ito ay mali-mali na tuloy tayo nito. Pasensya na po at kakamali. Marami kasing iniisip. Dito na naman po tayo sa muling araw na ito. Ay hahandugan ko ulit sana kayo ng isang awitin. Pasensya na po kung ito lang po lagi ang aking na-upload sa araw-araw. Wala po kasi akong ibang maisip na content. Hindi ko naman po pwedeng i-vlog itong aming area. At syempre po ito ay private. Pero sa ganitong paraan na lang po, kahit pa paano ay mapasaya ko kayo. Ay sapot, hahandagan ko kayo ng isang awitin ulit. Ang pamagat ay There's No Easy Way by James Ingram. Pasensya na po kung may maririnig ngayong mga notes na mali o masakit sa tainga, pero mapasaya ko kayo. At huwag niyo pong kakalimutan lagi mag-subscribe, like and share. Mag-comment na rin po kayo kung meron kayong mga komento. Pero sama-sama pa rin tayo. Laban lang ng laban araw-araw.
Bigyan, Squeeze in the smart seat.
May ads pa po eh. Ayan na po ang data. Saglit lang po ating ulitin. Mahina po ang data. Yan, ito na. Sige po, nagkamali ako nung unang pasok ko. Dami pa kasing iniisip. Getting close to me is a no she breaks so easily. And that I told her, but I knew no matter how I tried to console her, she just did the best she could. But every time the best is no damn good. And no matter how you try to be kind, there's always still a part of you you leave behind. When it falls apart, there's a easy way to break somebody's heart. I lied and told she would fine. So we both knew it was just a lie. I had to do it, cause I'd have said anything to help me get through it. Then she reached up for my hand, and a simple touch was more than I could stand. And I had to turn away, cause I knew all the hush that she was feeling, I was feeling too. Cause when it falls apart, there's no easy way to break somebody's heart. She couldn't get angry, it makes me feel like I get a child. But I realized I never would stop. Oh, what a hurt to wake me and not treat me like a friend. I wanna hear her say that me someday, and I crawling on my knees to ask me back again. But she act me like a lady till the end. Oh, what a lady. To the she break down, but your smile at me never made a sound. And I guess she understood in a way. Could have signed and told me everything she could not say. When it falls apart, well, there's just no easy way. There's just no easy way. There's no easy way to break somebody's heart. Thank you and God bless po sa ating lahat.